Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Siri offline not working on iPhone after updating your device. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, we have to just simply make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled. If the do not disturb mode is enabled, then turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to make sure that your device is not on silent mode. Check if the device is silent mode, then turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings, scroll it below, then here you can see Siri and search. Tap on this, and from here guys simply tap on here, and from here guys just simply tap off one more time, and after that enable Siri and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply check Siri language. So guys, do this after. So guys, open settings, and now search below again, open Siri and search, tap on language, and you have to make sure that you have set the correct language. And after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then the last solution is simply open settings, then scroll it below, then tap on journal, scroll it below, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, and from here guys just simply enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time, and check your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.